a customized Chevrolet Biscayne Wagon, 1966 model year. Almost call this a street rod. Been nicely modified. Good driver. Actually has been on a couple power tours. It's on power tours in 2014 and 2015. Powered by a 396 underneath the hood. And that is paired with a 700 R4 transmission, so you do have an automatic with overdrive underneath there for taking her out on the road. Also has an aftermarket AC unit underneath there. Also has power steering. Willwood brake setup with front disc. Riding on American Racing polished aluminum wheels. It's a nice little setup. Paint in this car, also very nice. Does have air ride technologies at all four corners, air ride system. As you can see, the door handles have been shaved. Has poppers, passenger and driver's side. They're on a remote key fob, work great. They have actuators so the doors actually pop open. A little custom paint. Just a nice subtle highlighted stripe going down, following the body lines. Nice looking car. Go and check out the underside pictures, interior, engine bay, a little closer look at those. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call any questions you may have. The number we can be reached at is 507-386-1726. Vinyl bench seats, interior's all been redone, matching gray vinyl. A few aftermarket gauges. I got the glove box flipped because when we get around the other side I'm going to drop it down, let the air out of the bag so you can see the ride height, and also see the air conditioning unit underneath the dash. Just a nicely built car, nice setup. If you're looking for a driver, take to shows, local cruise-ins, be a nice car for that. And see the panels got a nice fit. Car's straight. You look up and down it. Dang nice straight car, especially for a wagon. Got some length here. So. Again, paint, bright work, nice shape. Come around here. Does have the rear crank down window. Works fine. Aftermarket stereo system for speakers in the back, so they didn't cut it all up back here. The air tank, of course, underneath that carpeting, where you could have got a storage compartment or that rear facing seat in the back. That's where the tank is at, and the pumps and everything for the air ride. Close this back up. Very cool setup here. That 396 underneath the hood is a 350 horse. 17-inch wheels. What size those American Racing rims are. Again, take a look down the driver's side. Very straight, nice paint. Still pictures, once again, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We can arrange shipping throughout the United States here. If you'd like to know anything about shipping, or like I said, got any more questions on this car, give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'll start it up for you too, so you can hear it run. Take a little peek underneath the hood. The engine bay is nicely dressed up. A lot of chrome and polished components underneath there. Tinted front windows also. I just have them down so I can leave the keys in the car for when I start it. Otherwise, you need the key poppers to pop those doors with the windows up. Again, look how straight that is. Bright work up here in the front. Nice looking car. Like I said, great car to show your cruise-ins, regular car shows, or just taking it out for the cruise on a Sunday afternoon. See, the door cards are all set up to match the seat. Got the gray vinyl, carpeting, nice shape. A couple aftermarket gauges here for water temp, and I believe it was oil pressure. Electric fan switch on there. Let's go ahead and fire that 396 up so you can hear it run. there's your aftermarket stereo, AC unit down here. There's your air ride gauges and switches. I'm going to go ahead and lower this so when we get out you can check out the ride height and everything. Empty all the bags. There we go. Fit on this side also. Slip around to the back, nice rumble out of that 396. Good sounding car, but you can also see how it drops. There you go, give me a good idea. Very cool. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here a second. Let's get this hood popped. Alright, check out this engine bay. Aftermarket AC unit. There's their Willwood brake setup. Like I said, does have front disc. A lot of chrome, a lot of polish. Smooth on 396 underneath there. You have the two pusher fans up front. Also have a fan in the back pulling. There you go. There's that 396 underneath there. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, website uniqueclassiccars.com. 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne Wagon.